How to fix group messages not working on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix group messages not working on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you guys need to do is set your date and time to automatic. So to do that, head over to your settings. On your settings, scroll down till you find general. Tap on it, and on general scroll down again, and there you'll find date and time. Tap on date and time, and after you tap on date and time, there you will see set automatic option. Make sure that it is toggled on. If it is already toggled on, you can simply turn it off and then turn it back on. So that's the first fix. Now for the second fix, what you will need to do is there is a setting that on the messages that is called your subject field. So you'll need to toggle on that subject field feature as well. So for that, head over to your settings. On your settings, scroll down all the way till you find messages app. If you don't find it, head over to the apps section and search for messages. So it should be right here. There we go. Open messages up, and after you find messages, scroll down, and there you should find show subject field. There it is. So all you have to do is toggle this on, and if it is already toggled on, toggle this off and toggle it on, and after that check if your problem is fixed. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.